Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Here is how to cut leeks. To get started, chop off the root end of the leek. Make sure you have a good firm grip on the base of your knife. And then also cut off the tough green part. You will not use that. Then to cut half moons, slice the leek in half lengthwise. Curl the fingers of your non-cutting hand back and cut small, thin slices using a circular motion. Leeks often have quite a bit of dirt and sand in between the layers. All you have to do is take the sliced leeks, place them into a bowl of water, and the dirt will float to the bottom. Give them a little rinse, and then scoop them right off of the top so the dirt stays in the bottom of the bowl. And that is how to cut and clean leeks. For more of our knife skills videos, hundreds of recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head over to acouplecooks.com.